Shone,
Yebo ne.
vele endemne. Aichika ina steering bafethu. Welcome. Yes, on another episode phela this and that lokho la lokho. Sikhona lapha eJunzo Studios nani liyazi. Namhlanje uqala ubani mina phela sebengazi kakhulu. Hayibo. Kwangisala lo mdada
Uyaqala
domba.
nesitimela sakho umdadada. We-introduction amanama khona next month siyenza phela sifuna ukuthi maybe
Amanamba uthi uzathiwa best intro of.
eh
All right, yeah. KB Casanova machance lani liyazi Aichika ina steering the locust leli bombe lecela abantwana makuvela yena kuhlanye bamnyama nama yellow bone bethi ta so delicious.
yeah,
Yeah,
so I found that out.
Sure, hamba
But
kanjani?
it's your boy. No, guys, no. It's your man T right here. T
Yeah,
right
man.
here. T right here. It's another podcast of this and that. But siyasho my guys, asincengi, asichange, asifihla umphili, sikhuluma idoti and sizele i-package edoti.
Whether yancanya rawuncanya into ekhona silandaba. Shout out thina lonke kuma comments lapha elithi liyancanya istaff sethu silenza lifile ngathi you are at home vele senzela lina bafethu Aichika ina steering mawufuna ukunithonthwaza isingisi uyakhuluma ngeMantende kuphela.
So lapho thini lapha ngabasishaya bomhla ka-15 uJanuary wome
Hayi ngikhuluma isingisi mhla ka-15 wena.
uJanuary wome so umuntu evela kudla ikhabithe engelamafutha ebese excuse me sir.
Namhlanje i-date team nje ngibona nje kazi iMantende liyahamba nje iMantende liyabuya raise nje uJanuary lo kuyafiwa bra. Alright wena otherwise ukuthetha njani nje uJanuary lo nje.
Nje uJanuary kimi le drama ye-AFCON.
Hayi mana nge-AFCON ngoba
Angiyakutshela nje indlela uJanuary anditha ngayo. Ngithitha njengorefu, urefu lwalo ngithithe ngani iSenegal.
indaba ukwenzani
uJanuary uyambambatha mdala uyangithosa left right and center nje.
Sikhala sibani.
Left right and center. Phela mina ngazi ukuthi ikhabithe lamafutha iyadleka.
Wena awuthi man wena usidla ikhabithi. Hawu lamanga.
Awuthi
Awuthimana kathi ikhabithi guys ulamanga.
Lamafutha iyadleka.
Live.
Kalawo santshela futhi ukuthi isara ama-chunks lichipile emarket.
Wena uthola umamelo baba. Nyakazi umamelo $2 baba. Uthenga umamelo wama-chunks laphana.
Vele inyanga yonke vele ngishaya ama-chunks.
Kuhle baba manje vele ngizothola alama proteins nje awala.
Ikubona
phela ikubona abantwana beboarding bebuya beqinile.
Badla ama-chunks.
Chunks.
Hayi mina sahambisa umntana wami.
Ngabona isitoko kodwa kuyile chunks le beans and cabbage. That's the staple food of ibhodini.
Yes.
Angazi which time angazi ukuthi kuJanuary kada amabhoyi izikolwane zivuliwe. Amabhoda iyazi umamelo.
Asababona amabhoda phela besibhizi swakukhombisa December la.
Damn.
Yeah, disafele jele
manje. Ikhombisa amabhoda.
Hayi not me.
I'm alright anshongo lutho. But anyways guys, otherwise uthini uJanuary? Mina personally hayi mana qamba hey January kuyafiwa bafethu. Hayi January it feels like Monday every day. Like seriously nje ngani Monday every day nje ngani Monday every day whether kuyi Friday ngani
Monday
ngazohambe kuyiphi ibhikiri ndoda uthola kungagcwalanga nje. Thola vele sokungathoma tricky.
Alina lingafika nathi ngoJanuary.
Aldoda ma if you are liquor slave baba. Hayi uthola vele noda why baba.
Hayi phela uyakhumbula ama-resolution akho.
Mina phela angisho ukuthi mina ngiyanatha ngithe ungahamba emabhawa uyathola kungela lutho.
Wena kodwa awusanathi.
Ebhawa ngiyabe siyadlala isingoka kuma ngisiyabukela ibhora angithandi ukubukela ibhora endlini ngiyawa.
Khana ngiyabulo mama.
Hayi ndoda ngawuye eqathe uphikisane lo bani umama akakwazi vele even ngazi umtshela ngukhonatha akamazi ngazi ukhulume ngodiphona akamazi ebepomba ukuthi sekuhloshwe ngale kumbe antabo. Ngize ngimthengele ijezi leLiverpool just in case nje kuphela la ukuthi masihamba sonke but hayi ukuthi ngaba le information njengabanye abazenza ngani bonabala actually yes shout out to my ladies azibhora. But I think ngama 2K ama 1990s something ibala zibhora.
But anyways, my guy, ngiyakuzwa uyabagena, uyabathosa, uyabakrila. But business of today,
Yes,
mina
man.
ngikho happy mina.
Why dog?
Mina ngikho happy mina.
Ngani dog?
Ngikho happy. Ngikho happy.
He's not happy. Akathabanga.
Do you know why I'm not happy? You
Tell
know,
me, man.
like I was watching the AFCON final, and the manner that the match was won, for me, I feel like African football is still going backwards. Honestly speaking, when it
Because
comes
of what?
to refereeing and so forth, especially when it comes to refereeing, you referee, no ref, no. African football is just crap when it comes to officiating football matches.
Mina akathi ngathi nanti akazi whether ukhuluma ngama matches wonke
No,
ukhuluma
I'm talking in
Morocco le
no, I'm
Senegal.
talking in general. If you can look at it, from game one, Morocco was being favored by the officials.
Yeah, but vele kodwa ungakhangela igame liyana chekani. If angazi che kumbe ukuthi asakhangela sengikhohle i-position. But ungakhangela i-position ndoda iSenegal ndoda from first half to second half ndoda yayifaka uswazi ndoda. Yayithaya kumbe yaba lama how many shots on target.
Lalela.
Vele iMorocco yayingaliboni ibholo lapha.
Khonokho angiyali. But mina my problem is officiating. In as much as Senegal was having the better position of the ball,
Exactly.
but it
fouls.
committed more fouls than Morocco was chasing the ball.
Yeah, cool. Yeah,
Hey.
I understand
And
into each
Senegal,
Yendi wayenzakala kwaze wafika ekugcineni.
exactly, Senegal, iyahlohla go try foul. Same touch, same soft foul being committed on the other side of the box.
Penalty.
It's a penalty.
Hayi, yabona lapha na
And mina, in my belief, I believe ukuthi Diaz missed that penalty on purpose.
ukuthi
Yes.
hayi.
Let me tell you something.
Wagcina la wakhala phela lapha.
No.
Uyabona lapha na mina ngathi
Mana ngutshele something ongananzeleliyo.
Mm.
That match, so many people had their eyes on the game. And they condemned the referee. Yeah, and I feel like Diaz a missing penalty. It was an instruction from the top guys. We can't let a big match like this.
Because wasokuflopile
Exactly. Wasokuflopile uyiplan wabo. And sokuflopile uyiplan wabo nje bazothi angeke siyeke imatch le Morocco win under such circumstances.
Because vele
Because people walk out of the pitch for 12 minutes.
Yeah, we manage to kakhulu vele
Hey,
ama-players.
uyabona. So bagcina babona ukuthi now this is the world spectacle, and if Morocco wins there will be too much controversy.
Vele kwakungeke
So if Morocco was supposed to win that game, that's why but Diaz go and miss that penalty. Ungacheck ama-video sibili kahle kahle before ulokhu uzenini
Diaz
ekhabe penalty. Umane watinyenyezela something ulokhu uzenini umendi.
Hayi le phela singakhohlwa ukuthi ngumbono wakho njalo it's a theory.
It's theory man. It's my theory. But I feel like they said, no, take this game to extra time. You decide to extra time fail. But at the moment, very plan again. They bought your ref, they bought everything.
Into mina lami lesing yami theory. Lingathi ngi-racist or something, but this is one thing that I know for a fact. Ongama Arabs kuyazonda abantu abamnyama.
No, that's true. That's very true.
Angazi ukuthi kumbe kusifaka ku second phase yamakhiwa kuzibone ngani ukukala amakhiwa kulandele khona and then umuntu omnyama uyangala because ungananzelela igame lana nje mina personal I think vele yayithengiwe because vele hayi wawungavumi nje. Laphana yes iMorocco anti yiyo ayihostile chekani it's fine I understand but laphana nje there were bigger players ababethengile vele igame liya from ekuqaliseni. Yabo yikho ubona nje kuref wayesemile jeke selokhu emissing ikhandele ngempabanga engani inkukhu so singasakwazi sebona lama players sephuma wabona ukuthi ayibhaliza njani nje kuref esebona ukuthi imade ama bad decisions nje from start to egcine because angeke nje ukuthi umuntu lana phela kwathiwa upushiwe uhlohla igoli liya umuntu ndoda eziwele akazange ayenza even iva washo wacharge wathi iBoral Conti ukuthi check akuva acela iva twice. So kungangale sokuthiwa yifoul so kuze kuyecheckwa leva kuva khona secheckile sebona ukuthi hani umuntu lo izwele waphinda wacharge wathi no it's a penalty.
Because ngitshela ukuthi mina according to my own theory people think ukuthi maybe Morocco bought that final, but Morocco bought the whole tournament.
Ungasabali khona lokho dog. Ungasabali ukuthi iMorocco. Yabona abantu ababesupporta J Dog. Kulabantu ngale behind the scenes ndoda. Abantu ababebheja inkalakatha zezimali.
Don't awubheja ungakwazi ukuthi kwenzakala.
Kulabantu aba-influencer igame baba live.
Man,
Even whether it's football, even whether it's boxing, baba.
no, I know
whether it's
which
whatsoever.
I know which influence ikhona. In as much as the officials were influenced to by
true.
Morocco, so that Morocco wins.
But kodwa okusalayo badliwa. Hey, Senegal, congratulations to Senegal. And then upresident wakhona eSenegal washo wathi imandi yakhona iholiday live.
Yazi kubona khona African footballer.
Wathi imandi yakhona it's a holiday baba.
So if an African team wins the World Cup.
No, it was Senegal. It was a historic location. It was a historic moment.
Historic moment. They're winning it for the second time in a space of 5
moments. Anzanga ngathi it's a moment out of idrama yonke leyanenza ke leyo dog. And they managed to
if an African team wins a World Cup.
Alright.
Africa yonke phela
asenze so, mana senze so. Laba asabali ukuthi kumbe singasabali ukuthi iZimbabwe ingathathi iAFCON ngihamba njani.
iZimbabwe asoze yathatha iAFCON.
Inte
Sorry guys, I'm Zimbabwe, but I'm just
into engathathi iAFCON ngihamba.
No, let's not fantasize about things that are never going to happen.
That's the reason why I'm saying so. Singasakhulumi ngaba ibirthday ka president yaba iholiday. Ungayenzakala lokhu ngaba iholiday. Ukuthi lokhu kaba so imagine ngayilokho zenini theory lokho.
Mina vele I don't want to think about it because I know Zimbabwe will never reach even round of 16 the AFCON for the next coming millennium. Full stop. Maybe after mina sengifile. Zimbabwe no.
Mina I think kule ma circumstances engeke ngakhona mathesi ayenza ukuthi vele iZimbabwe singasabali kumbe wathora kulabanye abantu okumele ukuthi bengaphuma iZimbabwe yaqala ukuwina.
Bephuma nga. Bephuma nga.
Kuma neswi.
But mina ngiyakutshela nje. Hayi uzisitha phela ukuthi kathi. But anyways, yeah. So there's this girl. I tend to forget her name, but I think it's Lerato what because I wrote 20 years. I saw a video.
She was wearing white.
She's trending. She
was wearing white dress, isn't it?
Utiena bam act sipone ngakwazi.
Mina ngiyala man. Engakwazi njani?
According to her,
narrate the whole story ndoda. Kuhamba njani?
According to there are two sides of the story. And according to her, Utiena wabizwa wafika wahlaliswa phansi. In fact yena vele asondaba
ebona interview yakhona.
In fact vele when
remember khona ekhuluma behind the scene camera imshayi.
When this issue started to escalate, the girl was saying she was raped.
Okay. Wasekusithini?
Now that evidence asephuma, and so forth, that guy released a video, and apparently it's a casting agency. It's why casting agency. She was given 5,000 rands up front, and then 5,000 after the job. And one thing that I've seen in my 2K, my 2K died in Dome and all that. She was given a contract. She was given a contract, which she didn't read because 75,000 rands.
All right.
What changes 10,000?
Yeah.
And apparently that white guy tried to explain, no, before you sign, try and read and understand. Because since I post the link today, because Uchomiona, that's how he makes money. Post that thing and then
so kulokho contract kwawusayini ukuthi umembuza shayingwana.
It's a contract kukhona ndoda. That's why when was which why haven't the South African police acted upon that thing if she claims that she was raped?
Okokuqala doka ipolice la even nje esevsan I'm sure they can't waste their time nje izinto lezi zaku TikTok and social media over into vele because remember lo phela ukhulubule ukuthi asoyedwa uCharlwa.
I
know
how
many chicks abahamba ku agency yakhona be apply just ukuthi bebe ma actors wafuba ama celebrity and stuff I don't care and I don't know but sebebangaki.
I think they are over 40, 50.
Anti yabo. So wena let's say ungwes 25 kumbe ungwesingaki. Abanye laba ade bedliwa ubone ngani bebedliwa njani.
And you know the worst part about unkazana lo trying to escalate this issue about making it a big deal is amankazana lawa ebewukhana. You know, I go in this week. Ufike ngitshele ukuthi ndoda laphana ufuna 17 Pro Max. There's a deal, bro. The nigga is man. You know, what him hook it up to this casting agent or to this guy. Ugana fika la phansi umngenisela awubona indlu, so forth. And the worst part is unkazana lana ivideo yena was seen ebisela ilokhuzeni 3 times.
Hayibo.
You didn't see it.
Ndoda ngibona mina ngabona that lokhuzeni.
Wayibisela indoda mina
Mthetho ayibamba wayibisela mntwana.
yedwa 3 times. And then she claims ukuthi she was raped. To see
There is a
sweet rape.
there is a rumor that I actually heard ukuthi one of the girls wayesithi kumember yena lwana ukuthi ufuna ukuba imember engavumi ukuthi abe boyfriend yakhe.
Awenzi, bro. That's
Yeah,
umsebenzi. He's the
ubhizi
boss.
nguye.
Hey, he's the boss. He pays you to do whatever it is. But mantombazane, I'm
Uthathekile.
like angazi ukuthi ngifake ngithini. Like if that's the way you guys want to make money.
Actually that's the way they want to make money. Asingeke sithi ukuthi because anti awazi ukuthi imali sidinga ngendlela ezithini abanye ngogwetha.
But anyway, if that's the way that you want to make money, guys, hit my DM.
Is Jayo. Lingana
Joking,
punchline.
I'm
Punchline.
No,
Bro.
I'm joking.
But yes,
I don't encourage such
talking about that
behaviors,
though,
mina.
Guys, yazi into esengayinanzelela yani. It's not ukuthi wonke umuntu nje wathi bonke mina ngibona bonke abadinga imali ngenkwanda. Ngathini vele angazi. Is my own speculation. Statistics sakhona siphuma kimi. 80% of ongoshare even khona lapho ungangena ezithila kuyathengisa. Not ukuthi kumele uye kumaphandle laphana estradeni laphana ebusuku not all no, but bayathengisa dog. Andi kukhona lokho ade sithi indlela abadinga ngayo imali bayathengisa bro, basebenzisa ukuthi bathole imali ngento leyo.
Alright, thengisa phela kodwa usemsebenzini. Try and find something that you do that you sweat for.
Sweat for
Exactly. Or maybe number solely, but sometimes number solely. Maybe the guys are not masculine enough these days.
yeah, anti kuthiwa kulabafana then kuzaba namadoda.
Exactly. They are not. So they're like,
concentrate bafane.
I know, but if you're masculine enough and you have your lady, I think you will take. Kulabafana basefuna ukugcinwa ngabafazi.
And into le ngihlala ngikhuluma ngayo nale ukuthi imadoda hayibo ningabo baba ngokomayinini la. Indoda madoda.
Unowabona i-boyfriend, i-girlfriend yakho ihlala ukuthengela izinto. And you don't question that.
Anjabo. At least namhlokobela umuntu as hey boy.
And you don't question that. There's a huge problem.
That's why ngikhuluma ngakhona lokho dog. 14 Feb is coming, easy.
Yes.
Valentine Day bathi liphi ukuthengelwa amajita.
Uthengelwa amajita.
Cabanga ukuthi amajita happy njani eziningi phandle la.
Majesi balithengela ama-socks. Khohlanini
perfume cause bakwazi thawula le roll.
Khohlani.
Muye le ndanda.
Guys.
Muye le underwear yakhona lapha.
Bathole indlebe uzwile. That was a punchline Pumi. That was a punchline. And guys,
but la iyanyeka
ama hair remover lan. Ungabona uchere kukapela izinto zona lezo.
Esimakhuluma nge remover ngize ngicabange yini eyayifake ku status ibuza ukuthi so i remove yatonta yini inkukhu.
Yeah?
I remove yatonta yini inkukhu.
But anyways, guys,
liyangike 14 Feb guys
14 February sikhona ipost phela sibona ukuthi imama siliphatheleni what
sibona abathandana le njombi majensi lani la kwathatha sifuna ochera ababroke.
Mina ngutshele mina bhuda so ungathandana nocheri wakho ebroke engakuthengeli lutho, be grateful ulithande kakhulu because ungabona sebuya setrele engizinto engasebenzi
abethethe kumembo in drive
kumbeni ukutsho mlo we casting agency ekhona.
My babo.
Yeah, angazi but ungabona uChero wakhe efika lento eziyiswiswi uhlube kwazi ukuthi udlule kuchomlwane we-casting ethiwa i-African casting. eGoli ngale bafika bamthola kuyi-10 sigodo wabuya
My
la so
babu.
wona susithi
But hayi
mamas
not
mamas
bonke Sharathi lino sesalizisebenzelayo liwathengele amajidenu hey hayi guys kodwa line libroke.
but before we move on for utshela something do you know ukuthi in as much as if it's a leap year and oCherry babathengela amajida wona ungangena ukuthi stop it
My babu yene posteni baba yene posteni vele uyabusenkingeni line
sebafethu lingathi
Bafethu.
liyathengelwa kuphela make sure la uyahiriza
ya
something even
ngoba uyabona sepostile
sepho
sephomba ukuthi thanks baby
even ukuthi cause uyabona seposte sebathi thanks babe
Eh.
kana ngubhebi wakho unawuthenga
wena uthenganga shit
yes
lo
So-
msholo
uzwana ke some delicious
yes baba
Friday 23 January Cosmopolitan
oh whoa right all right I know what's coming up here.
Sky's birthday.
Yeah, shout out to Sky.
Shout out to Sky. Sky's birthday. It's called Life of a Party.
Yeah, she's
Life
a
of the
promoter.
Party. Yes, she's a promoter, guys. Abangamaziyo lifike Friday lizafika limbona khona ngale.
Yabe
i-birthday
se-Cosmo.
yakhe. Kulabo DJ abanengi although abanye angibazi. Most of them vele. Just saying,
but anyways, kuyabona
DJ.
boDJ abantswembu.
Babe Shako naphane Cosmo VIP Friday iqala ngo-6 we'll just throw in a poster khona apha nje on the bottom of your screen ukuthi libone ukuthi
I've got
kwenzakalani.
a question.
Yes.
Siyabe sikhona yini thina kuma VIPs?
Thina siyabe sikhona phela.
Because
Thina-
sesikhulume ngebirthday so selibona khona ngale thina lisibona.
Thina siyabe sikhona. I think kulamanjeni kwethu abazasifakela wona eceleni.
My babu. Anyways, happy birthday Sky.
Happy birthday, Sky.
In advance.
We wish you many more years. We know that you love partying, girl. So we wish you many more years of partying. But don't do it too much. But yeah, happy birthday, girl.
Hayi chika ina steering so lana libe khona ngale to birthday yakhe uSky and shame to laba abahamba ngenyama dada ama floods akhona these
Yeah.
days kubulawayo.
I saw a post trying times for a pedestrian.
Hey, these are hard times for us.
Hard
Hayi thina ama pedestrians yabona yabona njengase number 6 dog wena uhamba ngoCamerot lapha nasulanda wama amakasi ngale
Yeah.
lobhengula ngale bo dog yabona lapha yana isizana 10 dog amanzi akhona sometime uyathola echaya amadolweni ntwana
Shit.
singazi labana balamagethi abahlala ngani themba liyathezwa uyaphupha uswimi usivuke nje phakathi kwamanzi nje phakathi kwamanzi ama-floods la serious guys and izulu lakhona this time hayi izulu hayi siyabonga hayi manje ngikuthi nje angazi kumbe lina kakhulu kobulawayo emakhaya ke kule khaya vele wona talent by the way
Akobulayo leli izulu yami yabona. Kanti wayo ukubuza ekhaya mina. Ndoda kunomuntu ekhaya.
wena mboni to the khaya wena isithupha sakho vele ngu-01
Mina ngiyakhile ndoda isithabathaba somuzi ndoda.
nga
Ngeke ngithi
kozwimba
hayi akhathana kakhulu ngathi.
No.
Mina ngisuke eMidlands la.
Ngaphi
Eduze
kwakhona?
la.
Thanga
eMidlands. Ngisuke eMidlands. Ngeke phela.
ungadlule eFelabus ngalo
Ungadlule eFelabus.
ungakafika emaswingo
Ungakafiki emaswini.
uyabe usemberengo
Wona wathi usuke eMidlands.
anyways but
But yeah,
angazi mina alright
Mina besakhuluma indaba yama-floods. Yabona
Mm.
ama-floods. In fact, that's not ama-floods. Ama-floods akhona kwezinye indawo that's bad. We feel for those who are facing those floods. You know,
Yeah.
we're gonna put you in our prayers, guys. But laba abanethwa lizulu, guys. Yeah, I mean, I think mina linethwa lizulu.
hayi
I think
ungayitsho
mina
leyo ndoda
linethwa lizulu. You deserve, guys, liyawona kakhulu.
why
Liyawona kakhulu.
ubawona ngani
Liyawona kakhulu.
babona ngani
Liyawona kakhulu.
ndoda these days akugadeki kubo 6 lapha abantu balike wesiphela akufani la ngale mawugada yabona esitholo ngale yabona ukuthi kuyalayinwa lapha kulayinwa baba uyathola abantu beminyelani ibhegi busy
Ngapha banga. ngapha babegada besiyana
emakasi
ngale bagada besiyana
emakasi abo la
khuluma ndoda ngapha
emakasi
bagada
abo
besiyekasi
eh
ngale bagada besiye ema-suburbs
so ulayinelani wena usekasi
kubona kulokuyi-odanyana
so thina bekasi abala odd
hayi lezi ndlu zangikhona yabona vele indlela babeziyakha ngayo amakhiwa vele zasiphuma ukufakwa
talent ngwempophoma nje hey
zasiphuma ukufakwa kuphela ukuthi laphana nalaphana ko-right yabona uhambe number 2 uhambe number 2 ubone idisnyongore khona lapha phela
anilabona
umuntu
manje
uyangena ngale phume ngale but akulasivalo
yeah but serious yabona nge-number 2 labo number 1 sungathi uyathi ungena emkotweni uthutshele so sesitting room
sona sungathi umuntu ephuma endlini enjalo ekuba le oda ekukadela umshofu
but hey akona hayi i-order majensi lani labo thawutha majensi zamanini ukuthi kube le order abantu belayine madoda hayi lana like
othatha
siziphaka
bayazama but abalikwanisi bompume amakhanda enye ayatshisa
mina phela mphumile weekend ekhasi sengihlala enkethe
guys abasukela ebhengula liyazi liyamuza uthomlo uthi lebhengula yikasi
hayi alama yikasi lamagasi abone old lo bhengula ikasi lamagasi vele ayijika ina steering baba driver ke kuyazivayela khona le vele mamkhwananzi usiya komalaba sokuze kule binga 10 sokugcwela amatonga athuma matonga
yes sokule binga 10
asematonga amancane nje asematonga amancane
madodana phela nangenhlanzi laba
mayibabu ungayitsho le ndoda letonga lodwa
zaphana phela bifile ngenhlanzi
ungayitsho ndoda hayi otherwise
maye seliyamithisa amadonga yazi
bra but mana ngitshele something as sixoxa ngalawo majita that day do you know angazi whether kubonwa yimi ngedwa ngicala injele kuma comment sections jail awula amatonga they've got ndoda humongous nyashis inyashi baba ematongeni ndoda
but they've terrible faces
yes alapha is true hey madoda uzasichayisa but hayi shout out to matonga women hayi nyashi hayi siyabonga
laba belathu abaloya sesingaconnectwa ngebluetooth from afar
hayi baba bakuloya ngeangle baba
connectwa ngestudy
hayi nonke umuntu yaloya baba la khona lapho vela khona nithemba ku dangerous ngiyabona enye ivideo that day kulomunye umagogo wayelengcebethu lesikhova phakathi isuka khona lemberengo khona
anyways guys liyabona umpume angazi ukuthi yena usuka ngaphi ePlumtree khona ngale
yes kondolwane baba kondolwane kobhutshe mfana
what happens to Ndolwane what happened to Ndolwane
Ndolwane what happened to Ndolwane what do you mean
kuleso kanti i-super sounds ayengasuka khona
Ndolwane super sounds
ayengasuka khona ngathi
yes basuka khona le most of them mina nje ulokhuze nini umzukulu wami uCharlie uSamdo usuka uthathe khona ngale kobhutsha bo
nah it's okay
then olokhuzenini noma virus owachonayo then uMathini babo badlula bese
uyabona yi-problem yokubuza ukuthi umuntu usuka ngaphi
ngoba mina phela ngiyakwazi wena usaba lokuthi wena uvela
ukulayinisa nje izihlobo zonke labantu abasuka emagrosa labantu abatshona emagrosa
phela bazi bonke
phela nje akazi ekhaya wonke umuntu izihlobo
so condolences thulini elingela makhaya nje abo talent kumba bavela abasaba ukuthi bona abempumalanga ngale
I know mina niPumalanga utshelini mina niPumalanga 99 Malanga 99 but yona impuma hayi awuzabudweba nje kuphela ngiyakutshela mzansi Thabi
thina we proud amakhalanga ukuthi sivela ngapi siyazazi yabo asitshaye nje asifihla umphini baba but anyways talent man
yes my guy
ngiyathaba nje ukuthi sesiqedile uJanuary lo ama resolutions ami guys ngiwachunile kwanisile ukuthi ngiqede uJanuary lo nganathanga utalent uthi uyalokhuze nini uyachata kodwa akakakhiphi even senti lokuthi uyakhipha nasazi
mina ngithe disenya chat
phela usuyenzeni what are the first steps
and mina according to my let me see to my calculator 365 minus how many days 21 I'm left with 344 days.
All right, 344 days then.
Whatever it is.
Wona lawa malanga asesele first step osuyithethe to make sure ukuthi uzayenza leyo nto yini.
Sengigcina $21.
Dollar per day.
Yeah.
Mayi babo. Shout out to umfazi ka-talent.
bro.
Angiphikisanga phela.
Hayi phela
Angiphikisanga.
yazi ukuthi
Alright,
check.
congratulations.
Yeah, kukhona omunye umuntu wangitshela wathi you know what my guy. 1% progress per day is 365 progress per year.
Ngama-motivators, ha? Labano babukelayo labana.
Akutsho lutho but 1% progress is progress still.
Lami next month yabe ngili-motivator guys. Ngabe ngitshela ukuthi lobu sidla imbhida cooking oil lithenga liyana yabithela esigubhini se-Pepsi. It's fine. It's fine. Lami liyana epinywayo.
But anyways guys, siyakwazi ukuthi January unzima and so forth.
Let's keep on moving on guys.
Kubo Bhengule emakasi ama-rice ayapinywa enkomishini.
Lasempopo.
Ama-rice ayapinywa enkomishini, ichukela liyapinywa ama-plastic lawana hazi ukuthi kanjani. But anyways guys, isisu asila glass.
Yes.
Yabona, so be confident always.
Yes,
You know, this is from your boy T. Yabona lo Som Delicious from Junza TV.
Ayijika ina steering
Ayijika ina steering.
Driver akekho vele iyazivayela.
Iyazihambela.
Till next episode.
If you guys have been noticing, January we've been trying to be, you know, a bit mature, trying to give advice and so forth. But ngiyalitshela guys, January sikhuluma idoti, silibiza ngamabizo elinye liyabe lithengela abafazi benye ama-flowers lana edola lawa.
Lokhuyana kubuya kulo 30p ngaphansi. Kungaka so.
Silibiza amabizo.
Salibiza. Kade sifuna ukuthi even kusiyafika mhla ka-14 yabo. Libe lipost ama-pictures zenu la ku-podcast yethu sebesiwa sibone ukuthi abayenze kahle labangayenzanga kahle ngobani. Lingakhohlwa futhi podcast on site coming very soon.
Very soon guys. Yes, podcast on site powered by Jeggy Culture. It's coming soon guys. Siyalanda lapho and yeah.
Siqale emakasana.
Yeah, siqale emalokishini.
Yes.
Emalokishini sibe.
Shone ayijiki ayina steering bafethu namhlanje shaya amazaza. Besize ngomsebenzi. Till next time.
We out.